Hi friends, so today I'm going to show you how to make a sensory bag, which is a favorite in class 3. Everyone likes the sensory bags. So you're going to need a plastic bag, some kind of liquid like body wash or hair gel or even corn syrup, whatever you have at home. So first what you're going to do is you're going to open up your bag, and parents, this is a good thing that your kids can do. It's another good fine motor activity. So you're going to pull open your bag, and then you're going to take your container, and if mine has a flip, so I'm just going to flip it up, or if it's a screw, you unscrew it, and then I'm going to pour a lot in my bag. And then I'm going to seal it up really good so that, and get some of the air out so that when you play with it, it doesn't open. And then you can squeeze, you can add as little as you want, you can add as much as you want, and then you can just squeeze it, roll it in your hands, or you can even bring everything back down with your fingers, and you can draw pictures in it, anything you'd like. So, hope you liked it.